Try to go slower. So the banana originates from Southeast Asia and was first domesticated in Papua New Guinea. Of course, it was not called New Guinea at the time, I don't think. It's an herb. It's not a tree. Biologically, it's an herb, and its fruit is not always yellow. Usually, in maybe children's books, you can see for the color yellow, you can see a banana, but it's not so natural always to have only yellow bananas. They can be green. They start by being green, and they also have purple and red varieties. The banana that we eat in the Western world, if we call it that, are of Cavendish kind, and it's a cultivated kind that they have managed to get rid of the seeds in the banana. Usually bananas have seeds in them from the beginning. I've had those bananas and they're full of seeds, not just a few like in an apple, but really many seeds in a banana. I found some information on Wikipedia that I figure you all have the internet. You could have looked this up, I suppose, but there are a few things that I wanted to highlight from it, so we can learn more. And when it comes to farming practices, obviously the best thing is to ask the farmers that we meet. How do you do this? How do you do that? I don't have all the answers for that, even though I may have seen some of the things before. I think it doesn't say on Wikipedia, but I think there are some hundreds of kinds of bananas, maybe 400 or 500, maybe even more. And they're grown in at least 107 countries, so quite a few of the world's nations. And the banana is used as a staple food in many countries, in Africa, in Asia, and also in Latin America. They use plantains, which you've had already here. And so you boil it, or you bake it, or you fry it in any way you can, sort of like our potato. Let's see if I can explain how the banana grows. Like I said, it's an herb, and it populates no longer by seeds, since they have been taken out of the equation. So the banana plant is, they get new seedlings from the roots under the ground. And they usually have 4 seedlings, and you cut 3 of them away and just leave 1, so it gets all the nutrition. So if you go to a banana plantation 1 year and take a picture, and then the next year and the next year you take pictures from the same location, you will actually see how the bananas have moved. So that the stems are no longer exactly where they used to be, because the seedling comes up and they cut it all in the same direction, and they move the plantation that way a little bit. The banana tree, let's see if I don't see one right now, but we have passed several banana trees.
There, behind the wall. Behind it.
Does everybody know what it looks like? Yeah. I hope so. You will see. So there are very large leaves, and then there is they call it a heart, banana heart, that grows down and populates, or how do you say? Probably is a better word in here. But it brings it has the